Today I have a Peplink switch. This is the 240 watt Peplink SD switch. Let's have a look inside. Pop this open here and here. Right, what do we have in the box? We've got the switch itself. And let's see, switch, what do we have here? A bunch of things. Let me get rid of the box. So we've got a UK to IEC power lead, which makes sense. We've got the power brick. That's a 4-pin connector, and it's 54 volts at 2.22 amps, which is nice. 50 volts because this is a PoE switch, of course. Hang on, getting carried away. We've got a couple of rack ears, so we can mount the switch in a 19-inch rack. We've got some rubber feet to go on the bottom if we're going to sit it on the desk. We have wall plugs and screws. That's because you can mount this on the wall actually as well. Let's have a look. Is it DIN rail mounting or is it wall mounting? Let's see how this might work. That looks like that must go. Oh gosh, does that slide on there like that? No, surely not. Please hold the line, trying to connect you. Oh no, of course. So that would be, this would screw into there like that. And that's what these two little screws are for. And then that means that the whole switch can be DIN rail mounted. Isn't that nice? Oh, that would look wicked on a DIN rail. I might have to try and find an enclosure to do that with. And then we've got the screws here for the rack ears. Gosh, sorry, I'm faffing with this thing. Right, let's lay this out. So, switch, desktop feet, DIN rail mount, and then 19-inch rack mount with screws, power brick, and power lead, wall plugs, and of course some Peplink Velcro cable tie. And that is what's in the box.